Back out here at the homestead, working on the chicken coop here. Let's get some more metal on here. I'm halfway down the front. Got to get this thing done so we can get our birds in here. Quick update here from the homestead. The front of the chicken coop's done. I got this box here wrapped, the laying box, and we'll come back when I have the chance and continue on with it. She's gonna be a beauty whenever we get all the metal on it. Well, paint it white, put some pink shutters on it for the wife, because that's what she requested. This was her idea. So, the homestead chicken coop.
It's caught in the crossfire.